What's up, y'all? So I just got out of work, and there's like a random car meet by the DD, so we gonna go check it out. Car don't really got tagged, so we gotta be careful. It is lit. We're gonna be selling weed this time.
We're gonna sell weed this time.
What's good? But I brought mine. You know what I'm saying?
Smoke weed every day. Come on, I'm just kidding. I don't smoke, but JC do smoke though. Hella unexpected, bro. We just got off of work.
Right out of work.
JC is taking a nap.
I didn't take no nap. I was watching Superbad.
We watched Superman.
Boy, if you don't get oh shit, what's up?
I almost got my toes ran over. Okay.
That shit wet.
Look, this in the big ballers. This in the big ballers, bro. Come on now. Oh God. Woo. Okay. Oh, my bad. Hey,
What?
remember that dude Bankrol Hayden? The one rapper? I swear to God, Sam, bro.
Who?
Remember we was watching like a Costa Rica, swiping Visa.
Oh!
I think. Yeah.
Low key. No, I don't know. I don't know if it is I'm not good with that thing.
I hear it, bro. That shit hurt it.
One more time!
Oh, there's more, man. What?
Damn, big violence, man. One day. Okay.
We gotta fix that, but I heard that.
You gotta what?
Yeah, we gotta fix that, but I heard that.
It be like that, bro. Oh, shit. They love that. They love
all that.
What car is that over there, though? Oh, shit.
I didn't see it too far.
You didn't see that? Oh. My shadow, hello.
One of the service providers have that car?
Jackie's son.
Bruh, that shit wet.
Monster truck. Yeah. Oh, 240.
Damn, they coming out tonight.
Time to go. New part. The Thome, first Thome part. Ooh. The only thing that's shiny in the car is gonna be that.
Forged pistons I see for the KA.
You know what I'm saying? Oh. Oh, my sticker! She came out.
Oh, what brand is that though?
Hold on. Now it's just bootleg. Hold on. I don't say where though.
Better say Japan.
No, but I got Japanese words, so you already know.
Oh.
I'm gonna make a cookie. They gonna roast my shit. Come on, boy.
Oh man.
Oh man. Another thing, Brian didn't take a look at it. Yeah.
Oh, I didn't know it have words on it.
Yeah, bro. From
Dang.
Japan.
Like some Pokemon stuff. So you decided on purple?
compared to your last time, Brian? Right now with the mats, how do you feel? Is there any difference?
It feels more like home.
Come on, see? I told you.
Old ones like staying at a hotel. This though,
Yeah.
you know, the 2-bedroom.
Watch out, you don't look in your shoes. Come on, bro, hold on. Hey, bro, I got you some.
What?
Here you go, bro.
What is up?
I can't back my thing is gone. Brian found it though.
I found it. It's right there.
Can't pick that up. Oh my god.
Man, I'm about to drive like this. So far, no police. I am on the way to Kudo's house to install the KBD BodyKit that just came. Your boy is juiced. Yeah, she about to be looking a lot thicker now.
Oh, we got the same phone, dude.
Is it the blue one? Bro,
We out here, dude.
you know what? Bro, my friends are like, why the fuck get a blue phone? That shit hella ugly. I'm like, cause it's different. So the boy Kudo, right here. Okay, the boy Gustavo finally got a manual car now.
Dude,
bro.
manual, raw
Gotcha,
exception,
man.
dude.
Let me see that.
Oh,
Let me see
dude,
that stick. Let me see that knob. Let me see that knob.
That sounded kind of weird, but
No homo though. No homo.
no homo. There you go,
Yeah,
dude.
car shit.
Go for it, dude. Go for it,
Let me
dude.
see that knob. Let me see your knob, bro.
Really?
Ooh. Ooh, no more Prendo.
No, dude.
Damn.
No, dude. Look, check the third pedal though. Look at the third pedal, dude.
Damn, you put the hole through this shit.
Stage 2, bro.
Oh, and your unicorn slippers.
Hey.
Clean, bro. Oh, what the fuck? Your car just farted. Oh, you got the front bumper painted?
Yep, KBD.
Nice.
Chipped up, but you know.
That's good, but you low boy though, so it don't really matter.
It's all
You know?
good, dude. It's all good. Static.
Sheesh. Yeah, I'm static too, cause I'm broke. hey, I'm static for life until I'm rich. Bags.
Yeah, you'll get there, dude.
Bro, I carried this shit down the stairs. I couldn't even see.
Oh, for real? Shit, you look like Fast and Furious, dude, rolling up with the big box in the back. Oh, go crazy, go crazy.
Shank this shit.
Shanky. I come in the
This car
county.
might not unlock after this. You about fucking your trails and your keys. This nigga price. Oh. I paid fucking $900 for some plastic. Now you just leave it. But the thing is, you need sun for KBD. And the problem is, ain't no sun today. Never know, it's California, so it might snow in a second too. You know, it did that before, bro. In Oakland, it was hailing, right?
Oh, yeah,
Right, but it looked like a Dippin' Dots.
Yeah. You see what they did at Skyline, dude, that day? You're a big ass dick on the field.
I was asking Gustavo, he give me a ride because the AutoZone is across the street and we need a heat gun.
Yeah.
I mean, you gonna show me the
got gas money,
shit? Gas money?
You got gas money?
I got $2.
That's not a 4, dude.
Damn, I'm trying to be like this.
Yeah, dude.
My boy Kudo hit a deer. He hit Rudolph.
Hey, I was trying to steal this shit though. Cause I haven't got shit.
I ain't got my shit either.
What, the stimulus?
Yeah.
Bro, they said they might not give it to you till next year.
I'm like, why us though?
I don't even want it.
But all the fucking rich boys got that shit. Like, they don't need it.
We need that shit.
Oh, they got the banana one.
Banana.
That's Whaley? I think I know him from Instagram. Damn. Texas gang. My boy's really gonna take me across the street. But it's for like a test drive, you know, it's not cause I'm lazy. And
No, not at all, dude. No, of
So,
course not, dude. Come on.
let's see you gonna stop. Let's see.
Fuck, dude. I'm scared, dude.
Hold on, put my seatbelt on. Fuck that.
Oh, shit,
Alright,
we're
you
gonna
trying to move?
We're gonna die,
You
dude.
was trying to move. Don't say that.
Oh, fuck. Is this first gear? I think it's first gear.
I think it's first gear. That's a nice little knob.
Thank you, man. You wanna touch it?
Let me touch your knob. Alright. Oh, nice knob. What was that nice knob? Oh, shit. Oh,
Stop,
shit.
don't stop.
No, we don't start out here. Yeah, come
you saw
on
that?
now.
Oh, we go hard. We go crazy.
Oh, what was that? Oh, it was a motorcycle.
Oh,
My boy famous too. I don't know if y'all seen him on Mike's thing.
we out here, dude.
Come on now. You got tattoos too?
Oh, dude, you already know.
Is that new?
Yeah, I've been
What? Oh shit, it's over this
You're
tree.
gonna let me.
Oh,
You do it.
she said, whoa.
Clutch, no, make noise.
Damn, Oakland.
God damn.
Man, that would have been you earlier if you didn't stop for that lady. Oh, another 240, but look at that line. What the hell? For AutoZone.
This is about to be fucking
It's
boring,
like the
dude.
Chick-fil-A right here. This is the AutoZone in the hood, and that's the only one that got the heat gun. Like, what? I'm so sorry, bros. So we're at this Taco Bell getting food for everybody. This Taco Bell has the worst driveway in life, and I forgot.
You guys can say goodbye to the Z now. It's a dunzo.
Oh, sorry, bro. I'll give you $25. I'll give you $25, bro.
To fix the lip?
I'll fix whatever you gotta fix after this.
Yeah.
Oh, okay, we'll see. We'll what you guys updated with the driveway. We're still waiting in line. We got the heat gun though, so the only heat gun in Oakland. Man, that's a fat ass driveway.
Yeah, that's a little.
Y'all got a fat ass driveway.
Don't
We gonna scrape it.
I drop this a little bit more.
Shit. That's bold, dude.
You ain't got me no discount. Appreciate it.
I'll try my best, bro.
Nah, it's over.
Fuck, I'm nervous, dude.
You heard that?
I'm nervous, dude. Oh, what's all?
There you go.
That bitch hella big.
Fuck the drill.
Calvin, bro, why you using the knife?
We're
There's
going
a drill
manual.
bit right there.
Nah, we're going manual with it. It's manual. Damn.
Bro, why you don't just self-tap it?
You got some? You have?
Nigga, I said I got self-tap.
Oh, you didn't. You said look for yourself.
Yeah, that sounds about right.
You trying to catch it? Like flip it and catch it? I give you $5. I give you $5.
You know, on CSGO
So
when they be
flip
doing
in
the little
the
spins.
sky, like flip it and then catch it. I give you $5.
Oh, shit.
Yeah, try to-
Oh, you must be thinking about the homo.
$5.
Oh, it's so close,
You
dude.
constipated. Trying to have it come out. Oh
That's
boy.
Taco Bell too.
Hell yeah, the chalupa. It'll dehydrate it. We got everybody helping out, whole team. Watch out for the rust, we're gonna get a fucking tendon.
Should be in there.
Oh, that's
Yeah, sure. That's it. I think it's like time.
falling apart.
We're all sitting like me and
Oh,
her.
ooh, damn. So far, so good. Shout out Lexi, came through to support, gang gang. Takes everybody, it takes all of this. It takes all these heads to install the kit. All right, so we put the screwdriver on Waylon's trunk, the yellow IS300. But he took off earlier and he did some donuts and then we lost the screwdriver, so we're trying to find it right now. It can be anywhere. You found it? Yay! We got it, easy. That's hella funny.
Bro, he swung that shit onto the sidewalk.
Look on TV.
What the fuck? That
It's a potato head. What the fuck? War Star. Come on. Oh, god damn. I was gonna, man, I'm trying to resell this. Hell no.
It's a little too late for that.
God damn.
Hey, it could have been resold after I did what I did.
It could've, you fixed the sag.
Oh, wait, wouldn't this be bad, though? Because of the brackets?
Yeah, okay. We're rocking the whole blanket though.
You know, dude.
Trying to get it to the hole. It's not fit. Oh
Shit.
shit. I took a leak earlier. I made a little river. Time for the side skirts, and we should be big body now. Fitment's okay. We'll work on that later on. Oh, he made it. Damn. Well, almost done. Last side skirt, and then it's food time.
Hurry up, man. Stop filming.
We did it. The ones that stayed, appreciate y'all. Appreciate y'all. Oh fuck. God damn. She look good.
Gotta be across the street, dude.
For real, I gotta be cautious street. Bro.
Not you. Your shit too short.
Parker. Oh my god, that table.
Table, dude. Christmas table.
Can we use your truck? Alright. Got the best one.
That shit, I look blind.
Oh, so we gonna end the vlog right here. Oh man, I hate people, dirty ass people.